Welcome back, it's Jerry with Sky Management here again today with a very simple tip to help keep some of the winter weather out. If you come in close here, what I've got is a resident that had some damage done to a piece of weather stripping, probably due to our little friend here getting a hold of it. And what happens is that allows the air to just pass right through to their unit. So what you need to do is go out and get yourself a new piece of weather stripping. This one apparently is a piece that's hooked back in there using one of these channels, and I'm going to show you how to do that. And so the first thing you got to do is remove the old damaged one. You can do that by using a pair of pliers or a flathead screwdriver and prying it up. I'm going to use the pliers here and grab a hold of it, and you're going to pull it, start it out of that channel, and work your way on up. And it should just come out like that. Now when you buy these strips, they come in a preset length, and you're going to need to cut it to the right length that you need, and you can do that by just lining up the old one and figuring out how long it is and using a pair of scissors, or in this case I've got a pair of little cutters on this. You can line it up and just cut it off like that. And then we're going to go back up here and just start shoving that back in that channel. And make sure that you get it in there good and snug. It's sometimes good to use a flathead screwdriver like this. You can get in there and really make sure it gets locked back in that channel. And work your way down. You can kind of hear it pop into place there. Once that is back on there, you're going to want to try the door, make sure that it does in fact go closed. Makes a good seal and no more winter weather.